Now, let me explain to you about immediacy index. The immediacy index is the average number of time an article is cited in a year it is published. So the journal immediacy index indicate how quickly articles in a journal are cited and also indicate how quickly articles in a subject category are cited. So the immediacy index is calculated by dividing the number of citation to articles published in a given year by the number of articles published in the same year. So now let us have a look into JCR and where you can identify the information about immediacy index as one of the metric to evaluate the journal. For example, okay, this is JCR. Then you can key in the title of the journal that you're looking for. For example, I'm looking for psychometric. Then they're going to open for you the detailed information about the journal. And the information about immediacy index, you're going to find it down here under key indicators. So the impact metric, there are a lot of metric available, but one of the metric is that I want to highlight now is about immediacy index. So for now, this journal, it received around 0.611 immediacy index, and you can click onto this one, trend. Then they're going to show you down here about the metric trend from year to year. So as you can see, the immediacy index is increasing from year to year, and the latest one that they have is around 0.611. So in other words, they're going to show you how fast the specific journal will receive citation within 1 year. So if you are a kind of looking for a quick citation, so maybe you can look into this metric as the indicator for you to decide. Okay, the higher the better. But bear in mind because uh, immediacy index is per article average. So the immediacy index tends to discount the advantage of large journal over the small one. However, frequently issued journal may have an advantage because an article published early in the year has a better chance of being cited than one published later in the same year. So many publications that publish infrequently or late in the year may have low immediacy index as compared to the others. So therefore, as an alternative, I would like to suggest you to refer to the impact factor as an indicator to evaluate the quality of the journal, because it's going to measure the average citation for the journal for a longer period of 2 years. So as you can see here, this is the journal impact factor for this journal. So it takes into account for 2 years. As compared to this one, immediacy index is only measured for within 1 year. And they also provide you with another alternative whereby you can also refer to impact factor for 5 years. So for a longer period. So all the metric is available here. So it depends on you on how you want to fully utilize them for your own purpose. Thank you.